welcome to Average Mike. Today we're going to do geometric painting on my daughter's wall. So just got a little painter's tape here, blue stuff, whoever makes it. First what we're going to do is just outline the entire wall, because we're going to have a border of the gray that we painted yesterday. And then we're just going to make geometric shapes all the way across the wall. Randomized, nothing too big, nothing too small, kind of fitting around. We've already picked two kind of alternative colors that go into those walls, into those triangles or shapes, whatever we get to. So basically I'm just going to record it. It's going to be a really quick recording, just showing you how this is all to get taped up and done. Trimmed. Now I'm going to start the angles of the geometric shape. So it doesn't matter which direction you go, where you start, right? Typically you just go slant it this way, slant it that way, and just kind of figure it out what you like. Using 0.94 of an inch tape. What I was going to say, I forgot what I was going to say. But yeah, so doing that, oh yeah. The reason you do this is so it doesn't bleed. You don't have to hand do it. That's not what I was going to say, Kelly. Anyway, so we'll go forward and start with that guy.
So it's like never-ending circle.
So what he forgot to say was make sure that your tape doesn't crinkle, because that just happened, and you just gotta, if it does, just flatten it out.
The reason why is because it'll bleed through the ripples. The paint will. So it's all labeled. So now we got to paint. So we went through and tried to randomize as much as we can the red, purple, gray in that spot. We'll see how it works out. Best thing about paint, get to repaint if you don't like it. So, all right, thanks for tuning in. Thanks for watching Average Mike. We're gonna go ahead and paint this. We'll do a whole paint video as well in addition to this. All right, see you next time. bits that we need to finish. It's all painted. We're gonna let it dry for a couple hours. Come back, pull the tape off, see how the finished product looks. Welcome to Average Mike. So we got the taping done. We started pulling it off and then realized, hey, we should probably video it. Anyway, so got it completely done. This is what the finished product looks like. We let the last couple pieces on to show you how easy it is to take the paint. So it's been drying for maybe 2 hours. So this is when we watch it. Basically just pull this nice and easy. And so if it does peel up with, you know, with the paint does peel up, you just gotta touch it up a little bit or pull it a little bit slower, or just take a razor blade by the edge and just slightly cut it, right? Should be really easy, done and done. Nice and easy product. Got its painter's tape. This is the blue stuff from 3M. You can use the other stuff that they sell at any hardware store or whatever. But this, I like the 3M products because they're good, they're good quality. And the company's been around a long time, so you know they make good stuff. There you go. So that's it. That's the finished look. I'll show you what the whole thing looks like from far. That's what it looks like. That's what it looks like. Let me close this door. That's what it looks like on the back wall. Pretty cool, nice and easy. This took about, I don't know, 20 minutes, half an hour to tape, another half an hour to paint, and just waiting for it to dry, and then it's done. So this is gonna be, you know, it's kind of a crazy design to be like only wall that's gonna be there, but the bed's gonna slide right back to it. She has a vanity that goes up to it, so it's gonna be a nice little accent piece to the rest of the room, which ends up being gray around the rest of the room. So anyway, thanks for watching Average Mike. Hope you guys like the tips, like the project we did. It's really simple. When I first got into it, I thought it was going to be really hard to do. It was really easy to do. More because it's really random and in your design how you like it. So pretty cool. Anyway, like and subscribe.